so exciting. I mean, being able to use things like smart lighting and smart parking will just make everybody's lives so much easier and reduce our impact on the planet considerably.
Absolutely. But did you realise that most of the energy in the city is locked up in the ground? 30% of the city is made up of streets and footpaths.
So wait, are you telling me that if we really want to make our city smart and have an impact on climate change, we need to fix what's beneath our feet?
That's right, we need to make our streets smarter. In addition to that, if we can manage our streets in a smarter way, we can manage things like the heat island effect.
What's the heat island effect?
The heat island effect is when the sun's rays hit the ground and reflect back into things like people's houses, making them more expensive to run because they need to run an air conditioner all the time. Things like street trees can have a huge benefit on the heat island effect by reducing the ambient temperatures and keeping the houses cooler.
So are you saying that if we can reduce the heat island effect, we'll also reduce the amount of emissions that we make in our cities?
That's right, and it also has impacts on other parts of the city. So the morbidity rate, or the amount of people who die or hospitalised from heat stroke, can be reduced by having more street trees.
Wow. So just by planting trees, we can reduce the number of people in our hospitals?
That's right.
When we plant trees in our cities, we want them to grow up nice, tall and strong. We need to be able to pick up really, really early if the trees have any defects so that we can go back and replace them with stronger, mature trees that will help grow into big trees that will last for lifetimes. We can do this by using machine learning to understand when a tree is going to be viable and when we need to pull it out early and place a new one.
Machine learning and open data can also be used to inform better weed management, which reduces the use of pesticides, which then increases the quality of water through stormwater runoff.
So if fixing our streets and making them better will have such an impact on our environment, on health and on the cost of running our cities, how do we make them smart?
Let's go figure that out.
Over the course of the weekend, we've created a storyboard and proof of concept for a smart asset management system that runs off the back of the open source and open data initiative Auran. Through this initiative, we can add in satellite imagery, real-time data from local councils about their workforce planning, information from drones and computer learning to improve the quality of decisions made at a local level every day. By opening up our data and looking at big data for city management, we can share information with other councils, both here in Australia and around the world. By leveraging the processing power of machine learning and artificial intelligence, we can start to understand better how our streets work, how we can make them more efficient, and the impact it has on everybody who lives there.
Smart asset management will make people's lives better by improving the cities they live in.